How to fix unsupported browsers in Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and then click on three dots. Scroll all the way down to Help. Then click on About Google Chrome and check if your Google Chrome is updated till date. If not, it will update. Then scroll all the way down to Reset Settings. Click on Restore, then Reset Settings. After doing that, go back to your display, then click on Google Chrome, File Location. Click on Chrome, and then click on Properties. Go to Compatibility, which is below Details, and make sure there is tick mark in Run this program in compatibility mode and select your window. And that's how you fix unsupported browser in Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.